Hello! In this tutorial, you will learn about advanced search strategies you can apply as you search the databases in the CSU library, including Boolean operators, quotation marks, truncation, database limiters, and subject terms. You can use these strategies in most of the online databases, and they will help you find the most relevant results for your research topics. Search strategy number 1. Use Boolean operators to connect your keywords. Many databases utilize Boolean operators to combine search terms. The three Boolean operators are AND, OR, and NOT. Using AND searches for both your terms together, for this and that. Connecting your search terms with AND will narrow your search and give you fewer results than if you searched your keywords separately, but they'll be more focused because they will contain both concepts. To broaden your search, experiment with using the OR connector to search for both keywords or key phrases separately but simultaneously. Using OR will enable you to pull in more results than you would get with either term separately. So with this search, you will retrieve articles that mention both of the keywords listed here, but you'll also retrieve articles that mention only one of them. NOT limits your search by finding one search term while omitting another. So using this search, you will retrieve information about politics and the state of Georgia, while omitting information about the Republic of Georgia, which would also appear in the results list when using these keywords. To sum up, AND narrows your search to focus on everything at once, or expands your search by also looking for your connected keywords together as well as separately. NOT limits your search by excluding information on unrelated topics. Learning how to use these connectors effectively should help you retrieve more relevant results. Search strategy number 2. Use quotation marks around key phrases. Another strategy that you can apply is to use quotation marks around your keywords when you're searching for an exact phrase. Using quotation marks in this way tells the database to treat a key phrase as a complete unit instead of searching for the individual words by themselves. For example, a search for the phrase Martin Luther King would prevent you from retrieving articles about Martin Luther, the German theologian and religious reformer, and instead ensure that articles retrieved were about Martin Luther King Jr., a leader in the American Civil Rights Movement. Search strategy number 3. Apply truncation to retrieve results for multiple forms of a keyword. You can apply truncation to words using the asterisk symbol to search for different variations for a word's ending or suffix. For example, searching for the term culture with an asterisk at the end will retrieve results that contain culture, cultures, cultural, culturally, cultured, culturing, and so on. Search strategy number 4. Explore database limiters. Most databases offer ways to limit your search results on the advanced search screen or within your search results. Common limiters include publication date, scholarly or peer-reviewed, source type, such as academic journal, trade publication, or magazine, location or geography, subject, and language. Some databases will also provide options to limit your search results based on discipline-specific criteria, such as characteristics of the population studied, the type of methodology used, or the source of funding for the study. Be sure and explore the limiters available to you in each database you use in order to limit to your most relevant results. Search strategy number 5. Search by subject terms to focus your search. Within many library databases, you'll find a subject terms or thesaurus tool. These tools allow you to explore the specialized vocabulary that has been used to categorize and tag each article according to the topics the article addresses. Searching the thesaurus for the more common term, human resources, reveals that this database actually uses the specialized keywords or subject terms human capital, or human resource departments, and these terms are broken down into narrow terms and expanded into broader terms. By searching for human capital instead of human resources, or by searching for one of its subheadings, you're more likely to find the information you're looking for. Finally, as you search, remember that there's no such thing as a perfect search, so don't be afraid to try different options to see which techniques work best. If you need more help developing an effective search strategy, please reach out to a CSU librarian today.